Oh no, Ileana wants me to find the bug in each of these tests by staff meeting. I lied when I said I remembered everything from 122, but at least I know how to read Valgrind error messages. Let's run this test case. This must mean I have a subtle bug, but not more subtle than Valgrind. Okay, I'm getting an invalid free with a stack trace to tell me where. So here, Valgrind is telling me a story of what happened. First, I allocated a block of memory using malloc on line 6. Then I freed this block of memory on line 11. But then I freed it again on line 14, even though I'd already freed it. I see that I freed days, but I'm not seeing where I freed it a second time. Oh, I see. It was aliased. I can just delete this line. Let's run it again. Moment of truth. Awesome. Let's move to another test case. Oh no, I can't read that. Oh, I remember. I can just use Valgrind. I'm getting an invalid free error, so my error is coming from free, which is called by output ABC. Oh, that's my function. And that's on line 7 in my file. That's where I free str. Then it tells me address 400660 is in a r-x map file. That must mean it's read-only. I see. Because str is a constant string, I shouldn't free it. Alright, let's run this again. Alright, it prints what I want, ABC. And Valgrind is happy as well. Let's move to another test case. And run it. I got a seg fault, but I know who can help. Okay, let's go through this. This invalid read of size 1 is not telling me much. So I'll keep looking line by line until I see the name of a function or file that I recognize. I see in my function output 15122 the error happens on line 6. And that's the same line number the error message below cites, so I'll try to work with that. Process terminating with default action of signal 11. Okay, that means I seg faulted. Access not within mapped region at address 3B12. That means I tried to access 3B12, which is obviously wrong. I should look at line 6. Okay, I see in the definition above, I forgot quotations. Let's see if that fixes the problem. Good. And Valgrind is happy as well. I hope this contained helpful examples of how to use Valgrind. Thanks for watching and happy coding!